Welcome to 2012. I've been thinking about this, and over the course of last year, towards the end of it, I decided to go ahead and come out swinging this year. Um, it's my hope that I can help in some way or provide some sort of dialogue in some way to show what I'm doing as far as saving and investing money and how to put a little something aside for a rainy day and just get other preparations involved, so you have just a bit of a buffer, so should the unthinkable happen and you find yourself without a paycheck for a month or two or a week or two, it's good to have those things aside. This video is accompanied by a blog entry which you will see in a link down below. Now, those who have been subscribing to me for a while know that this blog's been in existence, and it got a major overhaul last April as being one of a low-funded $500 trading project. Now, the project itself doesn't focus necessarily so much on paper trading as it has just the thoughts and my experiences along the way of putting money aside to try to get into the stock market game, so to speak. If you want to, go back to the beginning. I do 11 entries a month in this blog, and it may have some stuff that you thought of, may have some stuff that you didn't think of. It could give you some insight into my point of view. Now, do I think that trading and paper trading and stuff is the ultimate and everything else is worthless? No, I do not. However, I do see it as one valid aspect of taking the money that you receive from whatever and putting it aside and making it work. I don't just limit it to like just silver or gold, although those are some of the things that I discuss as investing vehicles. But before we get too awful much in it, let me just reintroduce this blog. It'll be having its 1-year anniversary in April, and we just had a good year-end review. So if you are at all interested in that sort of thing, I feel free to stop by and take a look at what I've got going on so far. As a person who's prepared, you not only need to be prepared for the worst, you need to be prepared for if nothing should happen. And that involves actually putting money aside. Whether you like fiat currency or not, at this time, it is the most liquid trading medium for exchange of goods at the moment. So if you want to continue to do that, then you kind of need to keep an eye on how that's working out for you, okay? I'm not saying that it's right, and I'm not saying that it's wrong. What I'm saying is it's a fact. Of course, I like to think of myself as being open-minded, so anybody that has any comments, please feel free to share them, and let's make this a group effort this year, and I look forward to hearing from y'all.